Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to resolve if your Microsoft Edge web browser is hanging, freezing, crashing, or not responding or working properly on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So please keep in mind what we're about to do. We're going to be resetting different things within the Microsoft Edge web browser. So even though Microsoft claims it'll leave your settings alone, I would always just make sure you have your passwords and credentials for different websites saved, because once we reset the browser, you will likely have to enter back in all your credentials to get back onto any websites you may have saved your passwords to. And without further ado, and with that said, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So start off by opening up the search menu, and you want to type in apps and features. Best result should come back with apps and features. Go ahead and open that up. In the apps list field, go ahead and search for Edge. Best result should come back on Microsoft Edge. Select the three-dotted icon next to it and select the modify button. If you receive a user account control prompt, go ahead and select yes. Repair Microsoft Edge. Repairing Microsoft Edge requires an internet connection and will reinstall the browser. Your browser data and settings won't be affected. I always take that with a grain of salt, but according to Microsoft, it should not impact that. But like I said, you might want to assume that you're going to be starting all over again. But anyway, go ahead and select repair. And there you go, guys. It should launch the Microsoft Edge web browser once it's done. I just closed it out, but you guys could see it did launch successfully. But pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.